Welcome to Precisely's Data Integrity Suite, your trusted partner in ensuring data accuracy and reliability. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to invite users to a workspace, assign roles to a user, create and add users to a user group, and manage security policies. Let's get started. User management can be accessed from the Configuration section in the main navigation menu. Click Configuration from the main navigation menu and navigate to the Security tab. The Security page consists of three subtabs: Users, User Groups, and SSO. The Users tab contains a table with a list of all users that have been invited to the workspace, their email address, join status, number of roles, user groups, and security policies the user has been assigned to. The last updated column displays the timestamp when the user details were last updated. Within this page, you can invite a new user to the workspace. Click Invite User. Enter the email address of the user you would like to invite to join the workspace. Optionally, you can also assign the user to the respective user groups during the process of inviting. Assigning user groups would assign the respective roles and permissions associated with the user group. This would allow users to perform the associated tasks in the Data Integrity Suite. Multiple users can be invited to the workspace simultaneously. Enter the email addresses of all the users in the email section and click Invite. Alternatively, you can also use the Invite Another button to send the invite to the specified user post, which you can send the invite to another user. This option is helpful if you want to invite multiple users to the workspace assigned to different user groups. Once the invite is sent, the status is reflected in the user's page. Joined indicates that the user successfully signed up to the workspace through the invite sent. Invited indicates that an invite was sent to the user, but the user is yet to sign up to the workspace. You can click the user's name in the list to view user details. The Details tab displays primary details of the user. The User Groups tab displays the list of user groups the user is part of. Roles tab provides details on all the roles that has been assigned to the user. Security Policies page displays the list of security policies assigned to the user. Moving on, the User Groups tab displays the list of user groups. The details displayed include the name of the user group, associated description, type of user group, number of users added to the group, and the number of roles and security policies associated with the respective user group. There are two types of user groups in the application: default user groups and custom user groups. Default user groups are automatically created in the workspace, and custom user groups are created by an end user. Default user groups cannot be deleted or disabled, and their associated assets, roles, and permissions cannot be modified. However, users can be added to or removed from the default user groups as needed. Clicking the name of a user group will display the details associated with the user group. The Users tab displays a list of users assigned to the group along with the status of the user. The Roles tab displays the list of roles, along with descriptions for each role, and the Security Policies tab provides details on the list of security policies associated with the user group. A user can be added or removed from the user group by clicking the checkbox associated with the respective user in the Users page. You can create custom user groups if you would want to create a user group from scratch, or if you would want to retain the existing user group with slight modifications. To create a custom user group, click Create User Group. Provide a suitable name to the user group and add an associated description. Add the users to be associated with the group. You can add users manually or using a filter. On selecting the option to add users manually, you can select the users to be added to the group using the checkbox and click Create. On selecting the option to add users using a filter, you can create a dynamic user group, which provides the capability to add users to a group based on specific attributes. When selected, the first field provides an option to select the attributes based on which you would want to filter the users. Select a suitable attribute based on which you would want to group the users. The second field provides an option to select a suitable operator. The operator compares the values and includes only those that satisfy the condition. In the third field, select or enter a suitable value. The third field is dynamic, and the options vary depending on the operator selected in the second field. Once all three fields are selected, click Update Preview to view all the users who will be a part of the selected user group. Click Create. In case you would want to duplicate the list of users who are part of the default user group, click the ellipses next to the associated user group and select Duplicate. You can modify the users added to the user group and click Duplicate. This would duplicate the default user group and create a custom user group. Once a custom user group is created, you can click the ellipses next to the associated user group and either edit, duplicate, or delete the user group. Let's move on to the SSO tab. The SSO tab provides the capability to enable the SSO login option that allows users from the respective domains to log in automatically without having to enter credentials. Within the SSO tab, you can view all the email domains that are currently added to the workspace that have the SSO login feature enabled, and also details of the default user groups assigned to the respective email domains. To add a new email domain, click Add Domain. Note: only domains federated with precisely can be added to the application. Provide a suitable name to the domain and select the default user groups that have to be assigned for any new users who sign into the application. Click Add. This will add the respective email domains to the workspace, and the SSO feature will be enabled for any new users who log into the application from the respective domain. Now that you know more about user management, you're ready to start inviting users to your workspace, assigning users to different roles, and adding them to different user groups. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into our Data Integrity Suite, where we continue to empower your data-driven decisions. For more information, visit our Help Center at help.cloud.precisely.com. See you next time.